Okay, so the first visualization we're looking at is the it's not life cycle cost because I can't really understand the meaning of the life cycle cost, and to be honest, some of them are being manipulated. So yeah, I just focus on the project actual cost because I mean for people or for the taxpayer, they don't really care about your life cycle cost. They just care about how much money you actually spend on the project. So this is my this is where I started. So you look at the chart for the x-axis. I sum up all the project and grouped by the agencies. So you can see the x-axis, I group them by years. So it's from basically from, you can see it's now from 2000 to 2013, but it's being filtered, so it's actually start from 1992. We'll go to that later. Okay, so look at this one, the y-axis. This is the project actual cost, just how much money you actually cost, and it's in million US dollars. So let's take a look. You can see, I mean, if you look at the top edge of the chart, this is the total money you spent. And you can see different colors inside the chart. Those different colors stands for different departments. For example, this blue one, it stands for Department of Agriculture. What I just did, I just left click my mouse so I can focus on this group. Okay, and if you unselect one agency and you move the mouse cursor, you can see the details of these. You can see the details of the expenses of each agencies. The reason why you have to unselect ones is that maybe for the first time you load into the page, you want to see and you want to do something, but you don't want these values to cover the charts. That's why when you load it first time, I kind of block the functions. Yeah, so okay, let's look at the things inside. This one, this button is used to filter the agencies you see on the right. So if you click it once, you can see it has a gray background colors, and you just select something that you don't want to see, and then click it again. Yeah, those things are filtered out. This will, I mean, you don't really have to click that first. If you just click them, you can still filter them out, but they will just stay here. But if you use this one, you click select them out and then just click again. Those things have disappeared. And there's a great things that you can see the chart become larger. Okay, just refresh, and right now it is stacked. If you change to stream, it's another view of visualization, but stands for the same thing, just the value of your expenses. But if you change to expanded, you can see, yeah, what can you see is actually the portions. So we don't see the values from the y-axis, but for each year, how how what is the percentage that you take this year, I mean compared to others. So if you unselect something, you can just compare some of them, and the total is just still 100%. So you can compare, for example, compare 4 agencies to see who takes the majority expenses this year. Yeah. Okay, just refresh again. So let's look down here. This is the focus chart we talked about. You can drag them to see different periods of time. So right now it's from 1992 to 2004. And oh, sorry. You can also, I want to see this one from 2005 to 2009. Yeah, this gives you a clear point of view. Oh, one more thing. If you double click, yeah, you can see this one only. Just click it again and you go back. Yeah, so this is my first visualization.